This is the Feiyu G6 Gimbal Action Camera Stabilizer. This is made specifically for the GoPro Hero 5 or 6, and it has features that work specifically for these cameras, but I've also used this with other action cameras and it works really well with other action cameras. Out of the box you get this really nice carrying case. It comes with the cords for charging and cords for connecting to your GoPro, and it comes with a rechargeable battery. To use this gimbal, you press and hold the power button and it will turn on. A single tap of the button will toggle between panning mode and lock mode. In panning mode, the camera will pan as you move the gimbal, and in lock mode, the camera will stay basically locked on the area it is pointing towards. You can also use the buttons to manually pan, tilt, and rotate your camera. If it ever becomes uneven, there's a mode for initializing so that you can get everything level. Also, if the camera ever becomes off-center, you can double tap the trigger button to recenter the gimbal. I'd like to show you some examples of how well this works. So in this first example, you can see I'm kind of trying to pan around my son. I'm just using my handheld Sony camera, and you can see it's a bit shaky. When I do the same thing using my action camera and the gimbal, you'll notice that the video is not shaky at all. It really makes a big difference. In this example, I'm just following around my son with my camera, and you can see how well the gimbal works. It does a great job keeping everything nice and steady and very smooth, and most importantly, there's no shakiness, there's no going back and forth or up and down instantly. Everything is really nice and smooth. Overall, I've been very happy with this gimbal. I like how simple it is to use. And I like that it comes in a carrying case that's nice and portable. It's easy to throw in my backpack and it doesn't take up a lot of space. It really instantly improves the quality of video when you're shooting with an action camera. I will post some links below to help you find this on Amazon.